He just hooked one. Got a big one on?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got 2 on.
2 of them on?
No, I saw 2 back.
Oh.
I saw like a little one chasing one.
Huh.
I saw 2 back.
Is he 18 inches?
Nope.
Hold him up there, see what we got. Tighten up your line first.
Yeah, I do have 2 on.
You're kidding me.
I'm not.
Okay, hold on there.
I am not. I told you.
Let me get a picture of this. You got 2 bass on there?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That doesn't happen very often. How in the world do you do that? Huh?
I don't know.
You got 2 fish on the same lure.
You've done that before too.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, we'll get them off here.